about Dr. Toy's set. Let's see what's inside the box. Alright, so here we go. It's got a lot of stuff in here. One by one. This is the medicine. It's a syrup in the bottle. This is a stethoscope. That's a Caesar. And this is an injection. Whoa! Are you scared of injections? Well, I am. That's where the medicine goes in. Alright, what we've got next? It's a spoon. We're gonna use it to take the medicine. This is the specs. The doctor uses it to do the checkup. We have some more things here in the set. This is a hot water bag. This is a fan. This is a microscope. This is used for testing. The samples are put on the slide and kept here under the light, and the doctor checks it. This is a tongue. And here we have the medical tray. And this one is to test our teeth. Alright. Let's now arrange the doctor's table. Let's get started. So first, we can take the stethoscope. This is used to check our heartbeat. Let's put it here. This is a microscope to test the samples of the blood, etc. This is the medicine bottle, probably a syrup. Now the medical tray. Let's put it here. The tongue. The hot water bag. This goes here. This is the dental equipment used to check our teeth. This is the fan, so that the patients don't feel warm. And this one is the injection. See? This goes This one here is the spoon to take the medicine from the bottle. Here's the scissors. Probably the doctor can cut the bandage of the patient. These are the spectacles, so that the doctor can check the patients properly. Alright, and today we have the Barbie as our patient. What's wrong with her? We don't know. Let's check her. We'll use the stethoscope and check her heartbeat. Let's check Barbie's heartbeat. Well, I think our Barbie has a cold. Let's do some more tests. We'll take Barbie's blood sample for testing. Now let's use the microscope. We'll put the Barbie's blood sample on the slide and test it through the lenses of the microscope. You need to do it by looking through this hole right at the top. Now I know what medication is required for Barbie. So here's the medication to treat Barbie for her cold. Let's take the spoon, put some medicine out, and feed it to Barbie. Come on, Barbie. Take your medication. Wow, Barbie's the good girl. Barbie will feel better for sure. Let's check Barbie's teeth now. With the help of this, we're gonna check Barbie's mouth. Alright, Barbie's teeth are fine. Alright, now I'll give the medicine bottle to Barbie so that she can have it later. Barbie seems happy. She's gonna feel better soon and she knows it. Alright, bye-bye, Barbie. Wowkidz, fun and learn. Fun and learn. Please subscribe to our channel today.